Richie Ruckus Beats.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Thursday, October 18th. Only 4 days away from the big dog's birthday. Bang bang, Libra gang. But it's been a minute since I've been on the channel. You know, just doing some personal stuff. Me and they had our anniversary this past weekend. Again, I'm not making excuses for my absence. I feel like, you know, a lot of people on YouTube come on here and apologize for living their life. And I'm not going to do that. One, I don't have nowhere near the proper size audience to owe an apology. And as much as I appreciate and love my viewership, this isn't my full-time job. I have a lot going on in my personal life. And the 100% truth is, a lot of sneakers have not been dropping recently that I absolutely have to have. And since I'm not seeded sneakers and I have to pay retail and stuff like that, I have to be very selective in what I grab. So, that being said, we got a new sneaker pickup to do an unboxing review and on feet for you guys today. But before we jump into that, I just wanted to let you guys know that I've talked about it in length over a couple vlogs, and I talk about it a lot on social media. But me and the people over at Midwest Native are getting ready to drop a collab. It'll be a Richie Rich inspired collab. We're dropping next weekend, Friday, October 26th. It'll be both on richieruckus.com and Midwest Native. And as the release gets closer and closer, we'll start leaking more and more images. The Richie Rich t-shirt has obviously been seen on this channel and on my social media. But we have a few other things we're going to be releasing as part of the collection. But as I was saying, we got a new sneaker pickup from the good folks over at Lapstone and Hammer. And you guys know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. You know you're a little bit special when you got a tag with your name on it, though. We got the Adidas ZX 930 times EQT. I cannot stress enough how much I love this sneaker. The colorway, the materials, and the fact that this Adidas Never Made collection. Such a dope concept by Adidas by mashing up two different pairs of sneakers and putting them together. There's been a few other ones that have also been part of this collection, but this was by far my favorite. I've said in vlogs all the way back like a year and a half ago that Adidas needed to start putting retro runner uppers on this Boost bottom, and they did it, and they knocked it out of the park. You got the ZX 930 upper, you got the EQT Boost bottom, and they're just fire. This colorway is so dope. This is a perfect sneaker for the fall and winter. You got this pine Christmas tree green, hints of red, gray suede. The shoelaces kind of almost have a candy cane theme. The white laces with the red perforated dots going down it. The whole liner, if you get close up, it's like a terry cloth. This almost feels like identical to like a Christmas stocking that you hang up on your fireplace, waiting for Santa Claus to come drop some coal in there. But they just knocked these out of the park. $170 is the price tag. I tried them on. I would go true to size. I traditionally go down a half size in Adidas, but I felt the 8.5 was more comfortable in these opposed to the 8. But just bravo and a great job by Adidas. Just a combination of mesh throughout the upper. You got this brush suede. Just so dope. The branding on this was done tremendously well. I feel like Adidas just really knocked this out of the park. And I'm glad Lapstone Hammer, I don't think they got the whole collection. And I'm glad that they did get the pair that I wanted, because I had my eyes on these as soon as they started leaking images. And I did think the color was going to be a little bit different. I did think this green was going to be more of a blue. These are still available. I will link Lapstone's website down below. $170. These are definitely a must-have for anybody who is into retro runners, and especially if Boost still is life to you. A lot of people off the Boost bandwagon. I think it's still super comfortable. I've been riding the old school Adidas wave lately. You know, between the Adidas Dimension Low and then the Adidas Temper Run, I'm just really on an old school Adidas runner, EQT, workout, just anything retro that Adidas has been putting out, I've been eating up like candy. So I just felt like this was a very dope sneaker, and it was something I had to grab to do a review for you guys. I've been waiting for the right sneaker to drop, to come back, do a review, and this was it. The holidays are approaching, we're at the end of the year. Sneaker companies usually start dropping their heat from like here to all the way to the end of December. So I hope to be a lot more active. But that's it, guys. We're going to do the on foot. I'll be back with some more videos. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Richie Ruckus beat. Richie Ruckus beat.